This is how you create success on all the social media platforms without wasting too much time. In addition to testing content on social media, owning a website and ranking on Google is one of the best long-term marketing strategies in 2025. Starting a blog is the easiest marketing strategy in 2025. The cool part about creating a blog is it's really simple. These days, for $100, you can get a domain and hosting, and with the click of a button, whether you want to use like DreamHost or you want to use GoDaddy, you can get a blog up and running for pennies on the dollar, and everything is pretty much automatic. All you really have to do is post content and promote it. This is how I started, and I started this way because blogging isn't expensive. This is how I created a company that generates in excess of $100 million a year in revenue because of blogging. Now, the key with blogging is to produce content that does really well. So what you want to do is go to ubersuggest.com and put in a competitor URL. Ubersuggest will show you how much traffic that competitor gets, all their top pages, what keywords are driving traffic to each of those pages. This gives you ideas on content you should be creating that Google loves. Now what you need to do is go to your competitor's website, those pages that are getting tons of traffic, and look to see what they're talking about. I want you to create a blog post that's better than theirs, more detailed, more thorough, that's more updated and fresh. This is why Wikipedia ranks so well on Google. It's because their content is fresh and always updated. But your competition probably isn't updating their content as often as Wikipedia. And when you create this content, the beautiful part is you can actually go back to Ubersuggest, see all the people linking to your competitors' posts, and hit them up telling them how your blog post is more detailed, thorough, is more beneficial, is more up to date, and why they should be linking to it because it helps their users more than linking to the competition. It's a great way to get more links to your website and increase your rankings over time. But mastering digital marketing doesn't stop here. Now that you've mastered the fundamentals, it's time to learn how to optimize and scale. Traffic to your website is worthless if it doesn't convert, so it's crucial to optimize your website. Most websites get hundreds, if not thousands of visitors, but they're lucky if 1% convert into customers. That means for every 100 visitors you're getting, 99 in most cases are leaving your website and not buying anything. They're not even becoming a lead. Your biggest problem isn't more traffic. It's actually getting more of those visitors who are leaving to actually stick around and convert into customers. So there's this concept of heat maps, which is what Crazy Egg shows you. A heat map shows you all the hot spots where people are clicking and all the cold spots where they're not clicking. Crazy Egg even shows you how far down the page people are scrolling. If your call to action button to add a product is all at the way at the very bottom of a page, but no one scrolls that low, no one's gonna buy your product. So what you wanna do with that data from Crazy Egg is adjust the elements on your web page so then that way you can maximize your revenue. You wanna see where the attention is on the page and make sure you have the right elements there. You can also see the pages that people are getting stuck on and leaving your site. Is the messaging off? Is it wrong? You can run A/B tests through Crazy Egg's WYSIWYG editor. In other words, you can just click some buttons, you don't need to know how to code, you can edit it, it'll give you suggestions, and you can run a split test where Crazy Egg shows visitors two different versions and they see which one converts better. Then you'll know if the changes you made are causing you to get more sales or less sales. When you continually do this for your whole website, you'll start generating more visitors over time. It's also crucial to take advantage of AI to level up your marketing strategies in 2025. A lot all about content creation. Without content, there's not as much to market. Even the text on your landing pages for your paid ads is content. The creatives that you use in your advertising is a form of content. With AI, like tools like Adobe Firefly, you can create creatives faster. Heck, even Facebook and Google provides you with AI that can help you create creatives faster. And with AI like ChatGPT and Gemini, it can help you brainstorm ideas, write content, and then you can go in there and edit it. See, AI can speed up a lot of the process, but you want to still be involved. What we found is AI isn't better than humans, and humans aren't better than AI. The winning combination, at least for marketing, is AI and humans combined. You can also look at a lot of the mundane, boring tasks that you're doing, like analyzing data. You can just feed it into AI and ask questions like, what marketing campaigns are profitable and which ones aren't? And it'll help spit that data back out to you so you know where to fine tune your time and you're not spending tons and tons of hours just looking at boring data when you can be doing something else. The key with AI is not only that they save you time, but it allows you to focus on more of the strategy and the execution instead of the boring, mundane tasks that a lot of people could be doing. And now you're equipped with a variety of effective digital marketing strategies to help you conquer the digital world in 2025. But your learning doesn't stop here. Because even if you're able to use lots of different digital marketing strategies to great effect, marketing isn't about knowing, it's about testing. I've launched thousands and thousands of campaigns, but the best ones come from constant iteration. Most people fail in marketing because they stop testing. What you need to do is continue to test and learn. Because if something works right now, it doesn't mean it's going to work forever. For example, with one of my prior companies, Kissmetrics, we increased our conversion rates by over 90% by having people sign up and log in through Google. You know that button that just says sign in with Google and then you're registered for that random site that you're on? We were doing that back in the day and it drastically boosted our conversion rates. And that was the only option we gave people because it worked so well. But fast forward to today, we don't force that option. Why? Times change. People are now concerned about privacy. 10 plus years ago, they weren't really concerned about privacy. By continually iterating and testing, you can figure out what's just not working right now, but what will keep working in the future so that way you can keep growing. I recommend that you constantly set up A/B tests. You can do this for creatives, landing pages, even email subject lines, and you want to track the results and refine. By doing this, it's going to allow you not only continue to test and experiment, but it'll show you what's working and not, and you can use that data to figure out what you need to do in the future to continually be successful. For example, with email testing, tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit offer A/B testing built in. As for landing pages and your website, tools like Crazy Egg will allow you to A/B test pretty much everything. When it comes to ads, the platforms like Google and Facebook have A/B testing built in so that way you can maximize your ROI. The best marketers also learn from those who are ahead of them. A lot of my breakthroughs come from mastermind groups. I'm not talking about those groups where you have to pay $5,000 to attend the event. I'm talking about just those groups that you're in a WhatsApp thread, or you're just meeting up with people within your city and you're discussing stuff for free. Or you're at an event or a conference for your industry and you're meeting up with other marketers over drinks and discussing ideas and what's working and what's not. The real key to learning digital marketing is to surround yourself with other experts. It accelerates your learning curve and it helps you avoid a lot of the common pitfalls and mistakes that you would make on your own.